Now I don't fry and cook chicken with oil anymore. Make this delicious recipe. Start by putting 700 g of chicken in a frying pan heated with boiling water. Let it cook for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, remove the chickens and reserve. They are ready to shine. Also in a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a little olive oil. The smell is already beginning to invade the kitchen. Now, put 3 cloves of garlic and fry until golden brown. That's music for our senses. Let's add the reserved chicken, a touch of paprika, black pepper and salt to taste. Fry for 2 minutes. Look how the color is already wonderful. Now, add 50 milliliters of water and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. It's time to let the flavors mix. Then add 20 milliliters of lemon juice, a tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup and a tablespoon of honey. Let cook for 2 more minutes. The combination is mouth-watering. Finish with sesame seeds to taste. Look at that show. Our chicken with barbecue sauce is ready to be served. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like our page for more amazing tips. Bon appetit and see you next time. Let's taste together.